250 grams of melted butter, 125 grams of granulated sugar, 125 grams of light brown sugar, 3 medium eggs, 100 grams of ground almonds, 200 grams of plain white flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 200 grams of white chocolate chips, 250 grams of raspberry jam, 50 grams of flaked almonds. Place the brown sugar, white sugar and melted butter into a large bowl and beat until smooth. Add in eggs and beat again until smooth. Add in flour, ground almonds and corn flour and beat until a thick blondie mixture is made. Mix in the white chocolate chips. Pour the mixture into a lined dish and spread evenly. I used a 10 by 8 inch dish. Dollop on jam and lightly swirl through the blondie mix using a knife. Sprinkle over the flaked almonds and then bake in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees or until there's a slight wobble in the middle. Leave the blondies in the tin for at least an hour to cool and harden before cutting them up to serve.